Hello, Sushi Kins and Sushi Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Happy Shipping. So we got some shiny here and I'll play because we went to Poera. I like Poera, but I really like really Asian things, Asian foods. Because it's better than health food in baseball, by the way. So let's start our Sadison, Sasinian. I'm usually doing. That's one. We do it again. Boop. Do it again. Let's do. Alrighty. So let's mix this in to make this uh Strassin mix all this together to give this that flavor out of the salad. It's greens, quadrantins, chicken, you name it. I don't like nuts, but that's alright. Let's stab it a little bit, get some chicken in here. Who says sushi? Yeah, this is this. Ow. Mm. Mm. Chicken and salad, so good. And some inside. I usually go in here, in the middle, because I like to eat in the middle. Okay, here's one bread out. And we'll go to the sushi. Yeah, this is this. Mm, mm, mm. That's something list. Mm. So good. Outside. Because last stuff on it. Mm. And soft. And that is it. Because I don't know, but we got more episodes and playlists coming our way. And yeah, so thank you for watching my videos, guys. And please drop a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please do a second name for sponsoring me on my YouTube channel. Please keep to the channel. And anticipate this too, please. And please begin with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Twitter. And even without that, I have to do with you. Sushi, yeah.